We got a 1999 C Lancer. Apparently the batteries alternates not outputting properly, so and I noticed something. Oh, by the way, the alternator has been replaced. They put used units, and yeah, I don't see the battery warning light here, so maybe it's something to do with the battery warning light circuit. So, yeah, the alternator's there. I will check. There's a 4-pin plug. So I did check all the inputs to the plug. Yeah, I'm missing the warning light circuit. So yeah, I'll go see what can I do. Alright. Not sure how you can see the blue pin, which is below the white wire, is a battery warning light circuit. So I go to connect the test light to there. Use a test light as a warning light, battery warning light. Okay. Yeah, I buckle the connector. Okay, now I'm in the blue wire. Yeah, it's like my test lights. Alright, so now I go start the car. Just let me disconnect the charger. Now it's about 12.8 volt. I don't have battery warning light. Yeah, it's charging now. So I disconnect the battery feed to the test light. Oh, still charging. That's ground. The battery. Let me turn off. Alright, start the car without the test light connected. Yeah, it's not charging up, so let me connect it. Test light. Yeah, now it's charging now, 14.1. Yeah, I hook up my new toy, so just a wire tracer. Okay. So I go there. So here is all fine. So might just maybe a brown light inside the just a brown globe inside the instrument cluster. There, I'm assuming the winders go under the airbox to here. But I don't get a B. That's sorry. Can I charge this machine or this? Yeah. Will be that plug. This one? I think there's a blue wire there. Dun dun dun. It's broken. Green crusty. Alright, let's check in. Right, just hook it up my test lights. 2 test lights. Yeah. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, can you see the battery warning light now? It's a little bit dim because I put it down through my test light. Here. So yeah, I did check all the plug, they look okay, so I just need to fix this bit, it'll be fine. Yeah, I fixed the broken wire now. Should have a battery warning light now. Yeah, like, look at that. That's good now. Well, got 13.2 volts at the battery. Battery warning lights on. Okay. Battery warning lights gone. 14.3. Nice.